Alright guys, so 2 months ago I was working in Vietnam and I was trying to look for breakcold customers. And I found Alex that got amazing results using breakcold that he shared in this case study. So when we saw that, we thought that one of the first native integrations on breakcold sales CRM should be Reply. The next 60 seconds will be a short discussion with the head of partnerships at Reply, George, and then I will showcase you a couple of workflows that you can do automatically and manually between breakcold sales CRM and Reply.io. All right, George, first question is, what is Reply and what is your role at Reply?
Hi, everybody. My name is George. I am Director of Partnerships is my official title here at Reply. Reply is a sales engagement platform traditionally, which is very quickly transforming into AI-powered sales engagement platform with multi-channel branched AI-powered sequences at its core. That is our main value proposition. It's not only a single channel. We're not only sending emails. We're not only sending LinkedIn. We're not only making phone calls or sending text messages.
When it comes to the AI SDR feature on Reply, like, is it for now like just about emailing? Are you doing LinkedIn? What are the angles that covers your AI SDR model right now?
3 channels, which is email, LinkedIn, and phone calls, but it doesn't make phone calls fully automatically, which is important to mention. Our market is traditionally has been, our sweet spot has always been SMB as a category. We are very committed to the SMB segment as well, which is why we have pricing plans that will not cost you an arm and a leg. And I think in that regard, it also matches the audience that you guys have at breakcold.
All right, guys, so this is how the Reply integration works. So the first step you're going to do is that you're going to go to your settings, then you're going to go to app stores right there. Then to find the Reply integration, you're going to click on AI SDR or LinkedIn automation or cold emailing or just typing Reply. So I'm just going to type Reply right there. It's coming soon, but it's already released for me. So I'm going to click here. Then you're going to click on configuration or install on the top right. Then you see it asks you for your API key. So let me go to Reply. So this is like the Reply interface. You go to your settings within Reply, and then you go to API key. I'm going to click on Generate New API key. So I'm going to copy paste that and put it here. And boom, you've installed successfully the Reply integration inside breakcold. And from there, there's a lot of things you can do, guys. So let me show you the first thing. So the first thing is that you can push leads automatically from breakcold to Reply, depending on what's happening in your sales pipeline. So let me show you how it works. So you're going to click on Activate. And you see here, I can select all my list on the CRM. So I'm going to click on the Reply demo list. I'm going to click on the Reply campaign sales pipeline stage. And then I'm going to click on the only sequence I have on my Reply account right now for this demo, which is Engage LinkedIn sequence. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on Save Configuration. And now I'm going to show you how it works so that it makes much more sense for you. So first, if I go to Reply and I go to my sequences, like Reply is a multi-channel sequencer. There's also have like very powerful AI SDR built-in software as well. But essentially, you can build like strong SDR, BDR sales sequences with manual steps, automated steps using email, LinkedIn, calling, SMS, task, and even like lots of conditions. So it's pretty fantastic what you can do. That's why Reply is one of the biggest multi-channel outreach software in the space, literally. They've been growing like crazy, but I digress. And so from there, what you're going to want to do is that we're going to have like our campaign, our sequence running. Here, I haven't done the steps, but just for the example, the goal is to show you how to push leads to your campaign in Reply. And so right there, I have no one in the sequence, and so nothing can happen. And so you can imagine you prepare your sequence, you hit run campaign, and then you just need to fuel leads to the campaign for it to run. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to go to my Reply demo list. And as you can see, I have a bunch of leads right there. Okay. And if I go to the pipeline view, what's going to happen is I have 3 basic, very basic free pipeline stages right there. I have two comments, which basically means that for the campaigns to move a bit, we need to engage with the people. This is a concept called social warming. You want to like, which is nothing, but specifically you want to comment with your prospect post even before doing an outreach campaign. So if you have like a very high ticket offer, this is a very good framework that people like Alex from the case study are using for himself, but also for his clients. And so essentially what we want to do is that we have all these people in the bucket to comments. And so usually what you would do is that you're going to go lead by lead, and just by using the keyboard, you can go from one lead to another. And what you're going to do is that you want to engage with liking and commenting one or two posts. Here I don't have time, so I will just be fast. And what you're going to do is that once you've done that, you can just click here and push the lead to the next pipeline stage. Here I'm going to do it manually so that it's much more interactive. So here I am inside the reply sequence, 0 leads. And here is when I move like Festus to the reply campaign. Now, if I go back to the reply sequence and I refresh, probably I need to refresh. It's not instant on the end. You see, I have Festus. And then you like, yeah, that's pretty cool. It's automatic. But man, like I would like all the leads to move at once to the campaign. And you can also do that like pretty easily. So if I go back to the people view, you can say, okay, actually, for the last 20 minutes, I've commented on all the guys on this list. So I'm just going to select all the lists. I'm just going to say, okay, now all these guys, I've commented on 2 posts minimum. So now they're ready to go to the reply campaign. And I'm going to click on reply campaign right there to move them to the next campaign, to the next sales pipeline stage, sorry. And then when I'm going to refresh the page, maybe it can take like a couple of seconds. Let's see. All right, so now it's good. I just refreshed the second time. So there was just a couple of seconds, 10 seconds. It's all right. And as you can see, like all the leads have been pushed to the campaign. And from there, like regarding if your campaign is already running or you need to start a campaign. But the best use case is the campaign is already running and you're just like fueling the campaign with new leads for it to run all the time. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete all these leads and I'm going to show you the other way to add leads to like a reply sequence. So I'm going to go back to breakcold now and I'm going to untick this. And so what you can see is that when you click right there on the 3 dots, now that I've installed my reply.io integration, I have this button now. Oops, like, yeah, I have the button right now. And so how it works is that it's a way for you to push manually leads to from breakcold to reply. So the first method was to push leads automatically from breakcold to reply, depending where you move your leads in the sales pipeline. And here you decide manually the leads you want to push. So for example, if we go to, let's say, let's take Festus again. So Festus, go add him on LinkedIn, by the way. So I take Festus, I click right there. I can push one lead individually if I want. So let's go and say, okay, I want to push that guy to this sequence. And so you see now, if I go back to right there, and then I refresh, like Festus should be here. Yep, correct. And then you can say, okay, I just want to go to a list, and within the list, like I just want to push everyone in the list. So you can just click here, and then I'm going to push all the guys right there in the list, and I'm going to click on submit. And so from there, you can push everyone in like a specific sequence pretty easily and manually. But the cool thing about this that I haven't really much explained so far is that what you can do is you can like use the filters of Brackle to push only the leads that you care about. So for example, if we say, okay, Robert right there, let's say, or maybe just myself, we'll do another example with myself because I don't want to share too much data about the people in this demo account because they have like actual real emails and stuff. So essentially, I'm going to say, okay, I just want to push the people with the tag teams. So let's do this. And now let's go back to like reply so that I can show you that all the leads that we've just pushed manually are inside the reply sequence. You see, the whole list has been pushed. And so you can do that with here, it's just 24 people, but you can do that like with hundreds, thousands of leads if you want. But the thing is, sometimes you just want to push specifically some leads. So let's one more time like delete all these people from the sequence. Now I'm going back to breakcold. Okay, now let's say I just want within this list the people with the tag like teams. And so I just want to push inside that list the people who have this tag. And now I'm going to do the exact same operation, which is to click on push to reply.io, and I'm going to click on engage LinkedIn sequence. And normally, like if we don't have any problems, it should be good. And so I'm going to refresh the page. Let's wait a couple of seconds together. 1, 2, 3. Well, taking a bit more time. It happens. Yeah, let's just wait. All right, you see 2 leads and that's it. So this is pretty much what you guys can do with Telegram. Sorry, not Telegram, with the Reply integration. So Reply is a pretty dope software. Like I say, they do sequences, but they also do like AI SDRs. And like right now, the AI SDR feature is like growing super fast. So if you want also to push your leads for this use case, this is something you can do. So long story short, you can push leads manually from breakcold to reply, and you can push leads automatically from breakcold to reply. That's it. Bye. This guy generated 200K in pipeline and closed 60K ARR in 2 weeks for his agency clients using breakcold. I met Alex in Da Nang, Vietnam, where he told me how he built his agency with a nomadic lifestyle. He also shared with me the workflows he uses for his agency clients. All right, guys, so let's dive into the workflow. So, yeah, if you can break it down a little bit.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So,
So we start off here with setting up breakcold for the client. And then after enriching the prospects in Clay, we import them into Reply.
Why did you choose reply, just to understand? Like, what do you like about it?
So I like that they have an agency package, first of all. So they make it easy to do business with them if you're an agency. And you have siloed client accounts, which is great because the client has access and it's siloed. And I, of course, can access it too. But also it's multi-channel, right? So like smart lead and an instantly only email.
All right, guys, so let's dive into the workflow. So, yeah, if you can break it down a little bit.
Absolutely. Yeah. So we start off here with setting up breakcold for the client. And then after enriching the prospects in Clay, we import them into Reply.
Why did you choose reply, just to understand? Like, what do you like about it?
So I like that they have an agency package, first of all. So they make it easy to do business with them if you're an agency. And you have siloed client accounts, which is great because the client has access and it's siloed. And I, of course, can access it too. But also it's multi-channel. Right, so like smart lead and an instantly only email. Yeah, so after the enriched prospects from Reply, we then set up the sequences, and then we set up a Reply using the Reply settings and also using Pabbly Connect, so that as soon as we get a positive reply, Reply will tag it as a positive reply, and then 2 things happen. The first thing, within 10 minutes, we automatically send a personalized LinkedIn connection request. And that's really powerful because you know the person set up their computer. You know they've responded positively to you, and they probably remember your name. So when they see that pop up on their LinkedIn, hopefully they're at their computer and they'll accept it.
Yeah, you're really leveraging like the momentum.
Exactly, and I even use active language like "Hey, connecting," because we're talking, we're emailing each other. You know.
I see.
Yeah, and then the second part is that we automatically push that prospect to breakcold, so we can engage with the prospects via the CRM to stay top of mind during the sales cycle.
Yeah, and right now Alex is using Fably to push the leads to breakcold. We'll have an upcoming integration coming with Reply on both sides. So you guys, it's going to be so much easier to push leads from breakcold to Reply and from Reply to breakcold. So yeah, and from there in breakcold, you're just using it.
So I use the engagement lead.
Yeah.
I use the engagement lead feature to engage with those prospects throughout the sales cycle, and also we can filter by where they are in the pipeline as well to prioritize. Right, so we might prioritize people who've shown meeting intent, for example.